Where to find the best sites. Homemade beauty products. Hello. The best internet resources about how to make homemade recipes for acne-free skin. These selected resources on the web might help you. Our top-ranked site to learn about how to make homemade recipes for acne-free skin is www.pickyourown.org. See the page titled How to Make Homemade Pumpkin Pie, from a Real Pumpkin. Here's the link. Try also our second-ranked site wellnessmama.com, especially the page Homemade Lotion Recipe, How to Make Your Own Lotion. Here's the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site 1889882.r.msn.com. The web page Homemade Treatments Acne, Homemade Treatments for Acne. This is the link.